Are you looking for info about Rapid City paintless dent repairs? You are in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best paintless dent repair options and guide you on how to choose wisely. One common mistake people make is not doing adequate research. Always check reviews and ask for referrals. You want to choose a trusted local service. Another mistake is not getting a paintless dent repair estimate up front. Transparency on costs can save you from unexpected charges later. Lastly, many skip learning about the repair process. Understanding techniques helps ensure quality work from skilled technicians. What is the average cost of paintless dent repair? The cost typically ranges, but we provide free estimates to give you clarity. Do hail damage repairs vary in cost? Yes. Factors like damage extent and vehicle type influence estimates. Are all dents repairable? Most can be fixed using paintless techniques, but our experts will evaluate and guide you. Call us now for a free quote at 605-600-5236 or visit rapidcitypdr.autodenthq.com/home. Your paintless dent repair journey starts today.